Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today the topic of my video is how to backup contacts or restore Google contacts. Do you really want to backup your contacts safely on Google server, or you want to protect them from other people or be able to access them without phones? We got you back with our videos made especially for you on this topic. How to backup contacts. Google provides you with the option to restore or transfer your contacts with relative ease. But for it to work, you need to enable the back option in the settings. This feature is really useful when you got yourself a new device and your phone was lost or damaged. The sheer number of applications is limitless because there are different situations like you accidentally heartbreak your device. All you need to restore your contacts is log in from your Google account on the new device. Along with contacts, you restore other data also. However, it varies with different Android versions and phones. But to restore your data, you must enable the auto backup on the device. Also, you don't have to restore the contacts manually. All you need to do is log on to the Google account and they will appear in your contact list automatically. Now, my next topic is how to export or import contacts. The process is very easy and effective. Follow these simple steps and you will get the backup and also save your contacts in very less time. Open your call app and tap on the three dots at the top right side of the screen and on the top of contact management. Scroll down and tap on export import contacts. Choose export your contacts or import to install all the data on your new mobile phone. Choose where to save, open the contact file. Finally, you have a backup of your contacts. Now my next topic is what are the simple steps you follow to restore your contacts. First step is wake up your device. Second, navigate and tap on settings. Third, open it and look for Google. Fourth, tap on it and look for services. Fifth, open it and tap on restore contacts. Sixth, just in case if you are using multiple accounts on your device, then you would have to select the account from which you wish to restore the contacts. Seventh, tap on the phone from which you wish to copy. If you are not looking for copying with My Contacts from your SIM or phone's internal storage, then it would be recommended to you to turn off your SIM cards and storage device. Now tap on the option Restore. Wait for a while until a message appears as contact restored at the bottom of the screen. For avoiding any duplications in the contacts, your device will only restore those contacts which find no resemblance with the present one. Remember that the contacts you restore will also get auto-synchronized to the current account active on your device. If you wish to restore contacts from other apps such as WhatsApp, Outlook or any other app, you will have to reinstall these apps. Now moving to the next topic, how to restore contacts with any Gmail account. You can synchronize your Google account with Raven or other software. This would help you to keep your contacts safe. If you delete a contact from your phone, then that contact also be deleted in the cold storage. Now to restore your contacts, follow few simple steps. First step, open your Google account on the new device. Second, open Gmail and tap on the person icon bottom left corner of the screen to find Hangout contacts. Third step, click on it to find all your Hangout contacts there. Fourth, click on Gmail icon. Fifth, a pop-up will appear. Click on contacts. Sixth, a new tab will open with all the contacts name. Now you can see all your contacts in a single place. Seventh, click on more and a menu will open. Select the period and click on restore. Give confirmation when asking for. Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to write your comment below the video. Thank you everyone.